Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This rap song is about binomial products. So here we have some examples of binomial products. This is a general example. That is, these letters or pronumerals can stand for any term whatsoever. So if we have a plus b multiplied by c plus d, we have a binomial here because that means two terms. And we have a binomial here because they're two terms. And they're multiplied together. And that's why we say binomial products. To expand this, we write a outside of c plus d, which is a outside of c plus d. And then we write b outside of c plus d. And that plus sign goes there. So that's how we expand that binomial product in the first instance. Now we remove the grouping symbols. Okay. A times c is AC, A times D is AD, B times C is BC, and B times D is BD. So that is the answer. So we have expanded that binomial product to end up with those four terms. Now here is a specific example. X plus 5, we have a binomial. X plus 2 is a binomial. They're multiplied together, so that's why we call them binomial products. So following on from that rule there, the general rule, we have this x outside of x plus 2, which is here, and we have that 5 outside of x plus 2, which is there. So that gives us x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, 5 times x is 5x, and 5 2s are 10. We notice here that we have like terms, 2x plus 5x, so they are like terms, so we add them together to give us 7x, and here we have x squared plus 7x plus 10, so we've expanded that binomial product to end up with those three terms. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about binomial products. The aim of this video is to integrate mathematics, English and music. Enjoy. And now we move on to the next three verses. And now let's go on to the next slide. And the next one. Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by creating a rap song about binomial products. This video gives people the opportunity to create music to the given rap song. After that, the song can be presented at a school assembly or any school performance.